Big thanks to Disney Channel for sponsoring this video. Hey guys, it's Jay Bunzy and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to have collaborated with Disney Channel to bring you this step-by-step makeup tutorial for Mal from Descendants, who is my favorite. If you don't know already, Disney Channel is coming out with Descendants 3. The VKs go back to their birthplace, the Isle of the Lost, to bring 4 deserving villain kids to the highly coveted Auradon Prep, but an unfathomable dark force is threatening the people of Auradon, and it's up to Mal and her friends to face the challenge. Don't miss the premiere of Descendants 3 on Disney Channel Friday, August 2nd at 8 p.m. For now, let's go ahead and get started on the makeup. First, grab a light purple matte eyeshadow and apply it to your eyelid in a sweeping motion. Then grab a silver eyeshadow and apply it to the inner half of your eye. Next, grab a shimmery dark purple and create an upturned C shape on the outer corner of your eyes. This is not only screen accurate, but it also will give you that upturned eye shape Mal has. Now, create a tapered cat eye using black eyeliner starting from the second half of your eye and over. Be sure not to line your full eye. To sharpen the wing, use foundation or concealer on a small brush and define the line. Next, lashes. Apply a pair of thick, wispy false lashes starting and ending from where you drew your eyeliner. To brighten the eyes up, apply a white eyeliner to your waterline. Then coat both your bottom and top lashes with mascara. So if you don't already have blue eyes like Mal, it's as easy as popping in some colored eye contacts. I got these in the color Polar Light. Now for eyebrows, you honestly won't see them much under the bangs, so don't worry too much about them. I'm just filling in the gaps and calling it a day. Grabbing a light concealer, apply it right under your eyes and pat it down. This will help you fully execute the illusion of sharp, upturned eyes like Mal. And of course, never forget to apply face powder to set your makeup. Next, grab a peach blush and lightly apply it to your cheekbones and chin. Then grab a pearl highlighter and apply it to the top of your cheekbones. Now to really pull this look together, contour your nose using a beige powder into a square shape and then add the same pearl highlighter to the very tip for that cute button nose Mal has. Next, the lips. Overline your bottom lip and regularly line your top lip with a mauve colored lip pencil to get Mal's puffy pout and blend it in. Then apply a reddish pink lipstick on top for her signature lip look. To finish off the pouty lip illusion, apply pearl highlighter to the center of your bottom lip and then apply lip gloss right over that. Lastly, apply a bronzer under your chin for her sharp jawline. So, here is me before, and here is me after. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to Disney Channel for partnering with me on this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it an evil thumbs up and subscribe so I can see you in my next video.